What's up, y'all? AJ Simmons here, founder and CEO of the Clean Biz Network. And today's video is going to be about telling you what Clean Biz Network is, and who better than to do it than me, the CEO, right? So here we go. I'm going to get myself out of the way a little bit. And as you can see, I'm on cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? So this is Clean Biz Network. Now, what is Clean Biz Network? I'll sum it up for you real quick, and then I'll show you better than I can tell you. All right, so Clean Biz Network is a social network for cleaning company owners. All right, and really, we're going to keep growing. It's going to be more than just for the owners. It's going to be for anybody affiliated with the cleaning industry in general. But we're going to take our time right now. So right now, it's for cleaning company owners. All right. Anybody can join. It's $99 a month to become a member. These are all of the features you get. You can do an annual plan and save a few dollars, a few $100, or you can do the partner plan, so you're partnering with us and you get it. Now you gotta pay nothing for the rest of your life. Alright? So it comes with a cleaning biz starter course. It's automatically included. You pay $99 a day, you get our cleaning biz starter course, and that's the same course that I used to sell for $4.99, aka $500, right? So I sell that same course of $500, but I said, you know what? Just get in Clean Biz Network. I give you the course. It's okay, right? So you get the Clean Biz Starter course. That's going to teach you every single thing from A to Z about starting and growing your cleaning company. Honestly, everything's in there, from the basic stuff like setting up your LLC or EIN number, all the way to how to set up your website, to how to do your bookkeeping, to what else we got? How to clean, how to hire cleaners, whether it be W-2 or 299, how to make a system out of it. All of that is in this starter course, all right? So it gives you that. You get a networking community. I'm gonna show you that in a minute. It's a whole. When I say networking community, most of the time when people say networking community, when they coaches and stuff, they talk about a Facebook group. I'm not talking about no Facebook group. We got our own. Clean Biz Network is a Facebook of its own, okay? Not just a group. All right, so we got that bidding calculator. So for any type of niche, whether you want to do commercial cleaning, residential cleaning, strip and white, whatever you want to do is in this. Window cleaning, all of that. We got calculators for all of that. Now, my specialty is in commercial cleaning. All right. But we got calculators for everything, and we also got other people in the group that you can learn from and glean from in this networking community. All right. So, regardless of what you want to do, you want to be in this network. All right. You can do proposals in here. It's unlimited. That means that we ain't put no limit on how many proposals you can do. There's a lot of sites out there to let you do proposals and generate them for you, but they got limits on how many you can do. We don't got no limits on them. We ain't got no limits on our walkthrough feature. The walkthrough feature is only available in the app though, because you won't need it on the desktop. But what it does is, as you're walking through with your laser measure for new contracts, you can take, and every time you make a measurement with your laser measure, right, or if you use the wheel, you can use the wheel, but you can document that in our walkthrough tool. And then in the walkthrough tool, it'll add up all the square feet for you automatically. You can take pictures with the walkthrough tool. You name it, that walkthrough tool can do it. I got a video on it. Look that up. AJ Simmons walkthroughs on YouTube. You'll see how it works. All right, we got unlimited inspections. Work very similar to the walkthrough tool, where you can take pictures, send it to your cleaners, and show them that you inspected their contracts. Discounted leads, right? So we got a lead generation service. Anybody can buy our leads, but if you're a member of Clean Biz Network, you get a heavy discount. All right. Invoice generators, so maybe you don't have a fancy software to send invoices to your clients, right? Well, you can just come on Clean Biz Network and we'll help you generate a PDF invoice for them to send them over to your customer. And if you know what an invoice is, it's simply a bill. Okay, so you can create a bill, send it over to your customer, and then they mail you a check to get paid from your commercial cleaning clients. All right, or your residential. All right, we got you can order supplies through us. We got 2 weekly group coaching calls. So I'll run the coaching calls right now. As we grow, we'll have even more experts in the industry that'll help run those coaching calls as well. And then we got a mobile app. All right, so not only is you on the website, but you also can download our mobile app. As a real live mobile app. Go to the app store, Android or Apple, right here. You can download it, and there you go. All right, so it's a real life social network. Then you got the annual plan. If you get the annual plan, it'll come with the in-house lead generation course altogether. So y'all, like I said, we sell leads. But if you like, I don't want to buy leads from you, I want to have my own leads generated for me, I'll show you how to do that here. All right, that course usually sells for $2,000 all year long. But right now I'm doing a special. If you get it today, the annual plan, you'll get this $2,000 course with this. The partner plan comes with not only the in-house lead generation course, but it also comes with the cleaning business automation course. That cleaning business automation course is not for you if you're brand new, so don't get it. All right, it's not. I mean, if you want to get this never pay again price, go for it, but don't try to mess with this course until you know what I mean, at least 6, 7 grand. You know what I mean, like in revenue per month, where you got some, you know what you're doing, because this is very, very advanced. Most of the people that bought this program already haven't even started implementing the things they learned from this course because they're just too new. All right, I think I got two, maybe three people from this course is actually starting to implement the things and getting results because it's just too advanced for them. But every single person that I've talked to definitely said the value was there, just that they weren't ready. And I warned everybody before they got the clean business automation that do not get this course if you ain't already bringing in money. So, but yeah, you can still get this plan, but just don't open the course yet until you're ready. All right. Now, that's what Clean Business Network is in the shell. I'm gonna open up the network real quick in a separate tab. So let's go ahead and open up the network just so you can preview it real quick. So this is just a small preview of the network, all right? So as you can see, I'm logged in right now. I'll move myself off the screen. So this is me logged in on my profile. I'm a verified member. Verified members, basically, they are people that I already know what they're talking about. They verified and they took the Cleaning Business Automation program, all right? Right here, you see this post is pinned to the top because this is the welcome video to let you know how to work Clean Business Network, okay? You can see we got a couple of members online right now. Out of the 3,000 members, 3 people online right now, including myself. All right, we got hashtags. You got your tech support over here. If you need any type of support issues, we do have a phone number finally after all these years, so you can call us, email us. Email is best. All right. Apply for the business credit card. I got you there. Get your business insurance. I got you there. Hire a bookkeeper. I got you there. So all of these links are here. And as you can see, people can post actual posts here. It's like a whole live, real live social network, okay? People can love, like. Let me do this real quick. So you can love it, you can like it. You can do more things you can do on Facebook when it comes to these reactions, all right? So we really out here, all right? Now you see 94 people saw this post. You know what I mean? So we got some participation in here, lots of comments. All right, this is yeah, can't show y'all that. All right, but anyway, lots of things in here. All right, so this is the group. Now, man, it's gonna keep going and going and going and going and going. We got plenty of members. All right, so that's just a preview of how the network works. Now we got bidding calculators, residential, commercial, special bid. Special bid is like window washing, pressure washing, carpet cleaning, strip and wax. You name it, anything close to cleaning is in that special bid calculator. All right, post construction, proposal generators. What this is so instead of you trying to, we got a PDF version that you can download too if you want to get real fancy and technical with it, and you can get that one right there. But these right here are next level. So you just plug in a few details about the customer, and it'll already have templated information there for you, like a templated service agreement is in those proposal generators, templated sales letter for your proposal. Everything is in there. You just type in the name of the customer, upload their logo, which you can get from Google. I'll show you how to do that in the starter course. I'll show you how to do all of that. But anyway, proposal generator so you can look nice and professional when you're trying to win your contracts. The invoice generator I told you about earlier. Here's where you go to get your leads. If you're a member, you click here. If you're a non-member, you click here. Members obviously get a discounted rate. It's already discounted when you click that. If you try to click that and you're not a member, guess what? You ain't gonna be able to see it. So you're gonna have to go back here. One-on-one coaching. So you can get one-on-one calls with me or one-on-one calls with other experts from Clean Business Network. All right. Tutorials. If you need more tutorials on how to run the calculators or the proposals, those are there for you. And then you got the My Account tab. The My Account tab is important because that's where you can manage your subscription, update your payment information, all of that. Cancel if you want to cancel, resubscribe, all of that. And then also it has an affiliate dashboard in there. So anybody that joins Clean Business Network automatically becomes an affiliate to Clean Business Network. So if you pay the $99 a month or the $9.99 a year, you go to your My Account tab, you go to your affiliate dashboard, and you can get your affiliate link. Okay, once you get your affiliate link, anybody that buys into Clean Business Network under your link, you'll get half of their payment every time they pay. So if they pay $9.99 a year, you get half of that every year. If they pay $99 a month, you get half of that every month. Do that to 10 people, you get 10 times that half every single month. Okay, so that's another revenue stream for you if you know how to do it right. All right, so All right, now let's go back to our home page here and let's scroll down a bit. So I told you what the network is, but we got more than just the network, y'all. The Clean Business Network membership. If you scroll down, by the way, you see a little bit of testimonies here to keep going if you waited enough for it. But anyway, we have our Clean Business Starter Kit. All right, now as you can see right here, you get 1 year free to Clean Business Network if you get a starter kit. So we got two types of starter kits, y'all. We got the Clean Business Starter Kit with 10 leads included, or you can do no leads, and it'll be $12.99 for no leads, $19.99 for 10 leads included. I already told you what the leads are. So the leads are basically bid appointments. It's not just a lead list. These are bid appointments that we actually schedule for you. Okay. So how do you get customers for commercial cleaning? These are commercial cleaning leads, by the way. So how do you get customers for commercial cleaning? Well, you either got to go door to door, or you got to go cold call over the phone, get an appointment with, like, try to schedule an appointment with a decision maker, then go in there, try to sell yourself, walk through, get the measurements, give them a price, close the deal, right? Well, instead of you trying to go door to door every day with flyers or cold call over the phone every day, you just tell us where you're located. We'll cold call for you, set the appointment for you. All you gotta do is show up and close the deal. That's what leads are, all right? So you can get those included in your starter kit for $19.99. We give you 10 of those appointments, or you can say, "No, nah, I'm good on the appointment. Just give me the starter kit." So the starter kit comes with all of this equipment you see here: backpack vacuum. We got the protein, the real deal, and I mean the best backpack vacuum in the game. We got the laser measurer for you. We got the extended duster for you. Everything, right? Big rolling trash can. Everything you see here, you get it, right? Uh, the disinfectant, all-purpose cleaner, everything. All right. Not to mention, you get access to that whole network I just showed you for a free year. All right, for a whole year free when you get the starter kit. So definitely check out getting the starter kit if you're brand new. If you're not brand new, you already in business, you just want a little coaching and guidance, just get one of these plans. All right, skip the starter kit. But if you're brand new, I definitely recommend getting the starter kit to start off with. You get a whole year free. You ain't got to worry about monthly payments and none of that. All right, I'm trying to talk fast because there's a lot to cover. All right, Clean Business Network is a lot. All right. By the way, as far as shipping goes, you might say, well, how long it take? Typically, it take about 7 to 10 days. All right, for everything to ship to you. All right, that's business days, by the way. 7 to 10 business days, you usually get everything. All right. What else we got? And it will ship in different like packages. It won't ship all together, so just be aware of that. We got a Clean the Business Apprentice program. All right. These apprenticeships are different localities. It's based on whoever got the Clean the Business Automation program. That's who's offering the apprenticeships, including myself. My location is up there as well. I won't tell you which location is mine because I don't want you to be more biased to buy from my apprenticeship than any of my partners. All right. So if you're a CBN partner, then you offer an apprenticeship. So you can click there to learn more about our apprenticeships. And what the apprenticeship mean is you can literally come in, subcontract under us, learn directly from us, hand in hand in real life, in person, and they're not cheap. All right, but click that if you're interested. Also, we got a lead generation service. I just told you that. So if you're not a member, you click here and you can buy leads even if you don't want to be a member. Then we got a Clean Business Automation program, which I talked about up here, is included in that partner deal. But if you just want to get the course by itself, or if you want to get the course and you want to make payments on it, because we got a payment plan available, if you are interested, then you can click this link and see what the payment plan is. All right. But that's Clean Biz Network in a nutshell. So here's what I think: if you're brand spanking new, get the starter kit. You automatically become a Clean Biz Network member, and you in there. I'm your coach. All right. If you like, all right, I'm already in business. I don't need all the equipment and stuff. I just want to be part of Clean Business Network, and I'm trying to win with y'all because I see y'all winning over that, seeing your testimonials. Then click one of these plans and figure out which plan is right for you wherever you are. All right. And then if you just need leads, here you go. Apprenticeship, there you go. Automation program, there you go. I'm AJ Simmons, founder of the Clean Business Network. Go to www.cleanbusinessnetwork.com to get any of this stuff, y'all. I wish y'all most success, and most importantly, think about it. What's better than starting a cleaning business? It's one of the lowest investments that you can make into a business, right? And it got the highest upside out of all of these different businesses. It ain't like none of these more limited. I mean, really, honestly, it's better than real estate. It's better than event space rentals. It's better than Turo. It's better than stocks. It's better. I mean, you name it, it really is. And I ain't just truthful. Like, it's a real live business. And I mean, cash flowing business, and you can get in it get your hands dirty, get your feet wet. Then once you get your hands dirty, your feet wet, you can make a system out of it and turn it into mostly passive. All right, where you won't never have to clean again. You might just run the business, hire you a manager to run everything, and you just check on it and keep growing the business as the CEO. I'm AJ Simmons. I'm out of here. Thank y'all.